Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Casey and today I will be unboxing my new iMac. I am so excited to show you guys. So let me go ahead and start unboxing. Oh, I have it upside down. Maybe I just need to lay it flat. There we go. Okay. Ooh. Okay. There she is. Oh my gosh. Let me put it right back down. Give me 1 second. Now I'm just gonna take it out the box and put it on my desk. It's actually not too heavy. They said it's supposed to be under 10 pounds. Put that on my acrylic stand. Let me make sure. Yep, it's level. Give me 1 second. Something is off. Okay, I'm back. I fixed my desk mat. It pulled it up just a little bit more so that it would be more sturdy. So let me try this again. Okay, so now I'm about to take everything else out of here. Ooh. Now I'm just getting everything out the box. Ooh, that's falling apart. So this is the new power bank, I guess you can call it. I forgot what they call it. I think adapter. It comes with an Ethernet port now. So that is pretty nice. So, ooh, MagSafe. Wow. That is awesome. So let me see, since I'm not trying to have all these cords and stuff going, I like to keep my cords hidden, so I'm gonna do my best to do that. Wow, isn't the back so pretty? Oh my gosh. So beautiful. So I'm just gonna move the screen up. Oh wow, these new chargers are amazing. The tricky part now is hiding these cords. And I have the charger for the keyboard and mouse. I'm gonna keep it in my drawer with how it's organized and how it's handy with my other chargers. So put that in there. Got the mouse. And everything's color coordinated. So even the mouse is pink. It's pink on the bottom. Isn't that cute? Alrighty then. So the last thing I'm gonna do is take the rest of the plastic off. These are the new keyboards and they come with TouchID now. Ooh. She is, oh my God. And for the last thing, thank you for watching my channel, you guys. I will let you know how my iMac goes. Thanks.